is activity 710, deploying software to a computer. We're going to create a new software installation policy and deploy a software package to a computer. So we are now logged in as administrator on the server. So let's go ahead. Let's open up computer and let's go into the QData drive, and we're going to create a new folder called soft deploy. And we're going to right click on that and we're going to go to share. And I want to share this with all authenticated users. And so we've added that, and reader's fine. And so now we have soft deploy shared out. So now let's go over to our Windows 7 machine. Oh, let's create another folder inside of the soft deploy. That's where we're going to put our software. And we're going to call it SyncToy. That's the name of the software we're going to deploy. So now that's there. So now we can go back over to our Windows 7. Let's log in with the administrator. And now with this, let's go out to the internet so we can go out and download the software that we need. This is a Microsoft piece of software. So we will go out to Microsoft.com to get it. And let's put SyncToy in the search bar. And let's go out and get the 2.1 version. And let's download that. We'll get the 32-bit version because that's what I'm running here. And I'm going to want to save that to, let's just save it to the downloads folder. That's good for now. And that has been saved. So let's go back and let's open it up. And let's go ahead and copy that to the server. And you can see now that that software deploy is right there. And let's put it inside the SyncToy. We'll paste it in there. And now let's go back over to the server. Let's close these out real quick and go back over to the server side. And now you can see that that software is in there. And let's go to the Group Policy Management Console. And let's go to Group Policy Objects. And let's create a new group policy. And it's going to be called SWINSTCOMP. Click OK. That has shown up right there. And so now what we want to do is we want to edit this group policy. So let's right click and go to edit. Let's expand this so that we can see it. And now we want to go under computer configurations, expand policies, and we want to go to software settings. software installation. And let's right click on this, go to new, and we're going to deploy a new package. So we want to click on package. So now at the top, let's go to the spot of where we copied that software to. There's SyncToy. Let's go to it. So let's go ahead and select SyncToy Setup, and we'll click Open. And now you have the option to assign, or you can do Advanced. For now, we are just going to do the Assign. And so now you see that your software is in the software installation of this group policy. And so now what we can do is we can close this, and you can go inside your group policy. You can see the Settings tab, and this will show you that the SyncToy software will be installed. So let's put that inside here. We'll go ahead and link an existing GPO, that one. And let's close this out. And let's go into users and computers. And what we have to do is we have to move the computer, my Windows 7 computer, over to the test GP1. Now that's where that group policy lies, so that next time it boots up, it will get that software installation. So let's go ahead and restart this, the workstation computer. And once it's restarted, let's go ahead and let's log back in. Oops. And let's see if that software has been installed. Let's look at programs. And it is not there. So let's go ahead, do a group policy update. And it may need to be restarted again for it to take effect. And this is the truth. So let's go ahead and restart it again. So now once we've gotten back into the computer itself, let's go ahead and let's check and see if it is installed on this workstation. And it looks like it has installed. Let's go ahead and click the start button, all programs, and there it is. It's right there. That is a group policy software install. And thank you. This has been activity 710. Thanks.